Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more update. Then we are going to start a new video. Please watch the full video, like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. How to make a designing shape on Pixel Lab easily. Open the Pixel Lab, select a shape, change the color of shape, duplicate the shape. Then select another shape, change the color, select the 3D shape, adjust the shape, duplicate the shape, select the color filter, change the color of shape. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.